Before placing objects, select the Pan tool and readjust the view so that the north wall is up towards the top of the workspace. Now open the live view, the quarter view, and from our saved views we'll select the north view. There are three types of objects available in Punch. Accessories, which are typically used as window treatments, they're wall attachments. Two-dimensional symbol libraries. 2D symbols are two-dimensional graphics that are used as annotations, and they do not render in 3D. 3D objects are placed in 2D, but they show up in the 3D live view as real three-dimensional objects. From the drop-down, we'll select the Fireplace library. Two different ways that you can place fireplaces. You can select from this library of pre-created fireplaces, or you can use the Fireplace Power tool, which allows you to create your own customized fireplace design. Drag it and drop it into the drawing. Use your mouse and cursor, drag it to a location you need it to, or use your arrow keys to nudge it in one direction or another. Back to our object libraries, let's go to the living room chairs. As you move your cursor over the thumbnails in the preview bar, watch the lower left-hand corner for the names of the objects. Upholstered chair legs, we'll drag and drop one on each side of the fireplace. As you start working with objects, you'll notice that you're constantly moving objects, nudging them in one direction or another, rotating them, realigning them. Two different ways that you can rotate them. Select an object on the property bar, change its angle. Also, use the rotate tool. Select the object and drag it to a new angle with your mouse and cursor. You may find that in some cases it's easier just to close the live view while you're doing your furniture layout. You can open it up as needed to preview. Back to the object library, let's place a sofa. Living room sofas, down the list, and we'll select this blue 3-cushion sofa. Don't worry about the materials, we'll change those later. Again, you can rotate it with your mouse and cursor or change the angle. We'll use 180 degrees to flip it the other direction. Don't forget to press Enter when you change that angle on the property bar. Now for tables, we go to Living and Tables, and we'll find a cocktail table, drag it and drop it into place. However, it's too small, so we'll select it and on the property bar change the width to 3 feet and hit Enter. Then we'll do the same thing for the depth. 3 feet, press Enter. Now it's resized, drag it and move it into location. Now for a sofa table, we'll drag that into place. And now it's time to open up the live view again and set our view. We're going to place a couple of lamps. Back to our object library, we'll go to Lighting and Floor Lamps. Drag and drop that floor lamp. It's the turned wood floor lamp, just next to the fireplace. Now we'll set our view back to the north view and back up just a little bit and place a table lamp on the sofa table. As you're working, feel free to move the live view around on the screen to wherever it's comfortable as you work. And you can relocate it as needed. Select the turned wooden table lamp, drag it, and drop it onto the sofa table. We need to resize it, so we'll set the width for 10 inches, the depth for 10 inches, don't forget to press Enter, and the height, 1 foot, with a space and 6 inches, and press enter.